Hi from Nutzaboutme again. It's been an amazing journey trying to figure out different ingredients and different things to do with letters of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and today is K. It took me some time to figure out what I'm going to do with K till I discovered Kale. And I'm going to show you what a wonderful face mask Kale can make for your skin. Take good quality kale, fresh kale, I drop one, and I will put it in the blender with honey. I have a fetish for honey. I just love putting honey in everything that I blend. This one I'm going to put a lot of because my whole family is wanting to put this after I make it. I will put some water so it blends easily. It's cold water. And I'll put this in the blender. Because kale, honey with a bit of water. So while it's blending, I'm going to steam my face. Really good to clear out all those pores. Feels good. My face all steamed up and my kale is ready. Pour it out. You can use just the juice, or I like to put some leaf in here and apply. The goodness of kale and honey. Next time you make a smoothie with honey, kale, milk, take some out and put it on your face. Promise you, you will not regret it. That's it from Nutzaboutme. Cakes with Kale. Enjoy it. See you later. Give me suggestions. Subscribe.